Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide a song if you don't want to see it in your feed or in your recommended song list on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below in order to type in the name of the song that you don't want to encounter again, or you can either select a category from the Browse All list and search for a playlist in which you have found that song that you don't want to see again, that you don't prefer. So click on the three dots icon and press the hide song button. So now, as you can see, this is a hidden song that you can so you can basically undo this this function by clicking on the same button, and now it's removed from the hidden songs section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.